Today we are going to do day 3 of subjects and predicates. We always start off every flipped classroom lesson with a review. So let's review what we've talked about 2 days ago and then yesterday. A simple sentence has a subject and a predicate. That means it has two things, both the subject and a predicate. The subject tells whom or what the sentence is about. That's when you ask yourself, what is this sentence about? And that answer is your subject. The predicate tells what the subject does or is. So for example, third graders enjoy playing with technology. Well, who or what is the sentence about? Well, the sentence is about third graders. So third graders is the subject of our sentence. That's the complete thought, the complete subject. Well then, what do the third graders do? They enjoy playing with technology. All of those words make up the complete predicate of the sentence. Now we're going to talk about a sentence fragment. Fragment is it's like a puzzle piece. It's just one piece of the whole thing. A fragment does not express a complete thought. There is something missing, and you will see what I mean in just a minute. A subject or a predicate is missing, so either it's just the subject or it's just the predicate. For example, in the fountain. Well, that's only a predicate. It's only saying what it happened in the fountain. You don't know what it's about, what's in the fountain, what it's doing in the fountain. That is a fragment. So forgot his homework. That is a fragment. So which one is missing, the subject or the predicate? Well, I know what this does, or whoever the subject did, but I don't know who the subject is. So what do I need to add in order to revise this sentence? I need to add a subject. So I'm going to add the name Jacob. Jacob forgot his homework. You can see I made Jacob blue because it is the subject that I've added. I've revised this sentence. Now I have a subject and I have a predicate, so I have a complete thought. It is no longer a fragment. Our class. I think you're going to have to help me out with this one. So which is missing, the subject or the predicate? You can say it out loud. Well, I know who the sentence is about. The sentence is about our class. But do I know what they do? Nope. So the predicate is missing. So what do I need to add in order to make this a complete thought? I need to add a predicate. So here is what would you put? Our class what? Fill it in. I did. Our class loves to read books. You can see the subject, our class. My complete predicate that I added in my own brain, loves to read books. I came up with it all on my own. On your homework, you are going to type a simple sentence using filling in the predicate or filling in the subject, whichever one is missing. Now, here is a hint of complete subjects begin with a capital letter. Complete sentences begin with a capital letter. Complete sentences end with a period. When you type your sentences, you need to make sure it has a capital letter and a period or a question mark or an exclamation mark or whatever punctuation is necessary. It is your responsibility to make sure that it is perfectly written sentence. If you don't know how to make a capital letter on your device, ask somebody. Ask your mom, ask your sister, ask your brother. Typically you hit the shift key and type in the letter, or you can hit the caps lock key, but don't make the whole sentence capital, otherwise it looks like you're shouting.